Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to chat you through some keto barbecue sides, some ingredients to keep on hand through summer to make loads of side dishes for when you're barbecuing, grilling, or just to take to potlucks, picnics, loads of ways to enjoy all these keto sides. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have 25 keto side dishes, keto barbecue side dishes that you can enjoy through summer. Salads, deviled eggs, loads of different ways to have sides that are low carb and keto friendly. I thought I'd talk you through the ingredients I've got here today and recipes along the way too. And as I said, down below we'll have 25 recipes in a blog post, really easy. So yep, click through to that. But let's start up here with raspberries. You can have raspberries in a salad, raspberries or strawberries with some spinach and maybe some avocado and cucumber. Chop it all up and you got a lovely bright and colorful salad. Lemon is great for using the zest and the juice over loads of salads. We've got avocado over there, some avocado just on the side or in a salad is great. Sour cream as well, just it's the base for so many dressings. You could just have sour cream on its own, or there's a couple of dressings included in my 25 sides that go lovely with barbecue. We've got broccoli for either my 4-ingredient cheesy broccoli salad, or I've also shared a pesto broccoli salad. There's loads of ways to enjoy broccoli or broccolini. You could just saute up a whole lot of broccolini to enjoy as a side with your barbecue. And some cheesy options. I've got halloumi over here, just a bit of fried halloumi, either in a halloumi salad or just fry up some halloumi, maybe fry up some zucchini as well. We could pop it onto skewers even, just loads of ways to enjoy halloumi as a side. And mozzarella, you could make my cauliflower caprese salad I shared the other week with tomato, mozzarella, basil, boil up some cauliflower and you've got a lovely salad. And this is just interesting mozzarella pearls that I found. They're little pearls of mozzarella. Really just have a look in the cheese section and get loads of cheese that you could just open up, maybe make a big antipasti platter with loads of different cheese options and veggies and meats, whatever you like. But yeah, those. And spinach, the base of so many salads. A big bag of spinach comes in handy, and yeah, through summer we go through loads of spinach and lettuce and kale, loads of ways to enjoy them. You could even make a pesto. I've shared a kale pesto that you can enjoy on the side with a whole lot of veggies. And we've got some tomatoes too, which are low carb and keto friendly if you just have a couple of them. So you could add them to a salad, or the caprese salad I mentioned before, or loads of different ways. But yeah, today's short and sweet video features all these lovely keto barbecue side ingredients, and check down below for the link to the blog post, which has 25 keto barbecue side recipes, so you can check those out to give you loads of inspiration to enjoy through summer. So yeah, that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know your go-to keto barbecue sides. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.